In a 2007 Honda Accord sedan like this one, if you have a problem with your air conditioning, it simply could be the fuse in some circumstances. The type of circumstance I'm talking about is not that your air isn't coming out cold. Rather, it's that no air is coming out at all. If that's the case, come down here. Here's your fuse panel. Pull that out. And then, pardon my gross leg, you can find the air conditioning fuse is this one here, number 30, is a 7.5A. There might be another fuse, I'm not sure. Check the entire chart. Pull that fuse out. If that fuse is burnt out, replacing it almost certainly will get your air conditioning going again. I have a wealth of knowledge about this car. If you have any other questions, just ask. And if this video helped you out, consider giving me a super thanks. Thank you.